Okay, so first let me tell you the goal. The goal is to break our one Love This pages into several different pages. So then we have a website. But what we don't want to do is get rid of anything, So we're going to go to File, Save As. Okay, very important. Make sure that you browse for your web design folder. Okay? And then another very important thing, all files. So then this will say your name home.html. Are you with me? Yeah? I'm going to pause till you all do that. And then just click Save. Penner, or your name home.html, not HMLT or whatever. Make sure that's right. Save as type all files. And you went to Save As, right? Because Save As makes you a new document. Okay? Then click Save. File, Save As, all files. Make sure you're still in your web design folder. This is places.html. All files, places.html. Save. Are you with me? I'm seeing some of you just sit there. You're going to be totally lost here in a minute, unless you rewatch a video, yes. Save. Okay. File, Save As, songs.html. Make sure Save As type is all files so it doesn't save it as a text document. Make sure you're in your web design folder. File, Save As, all files. People.html. Save. File, Save As. You're getting the hang of this, right? All files. This one is websites. Save. We've got 3 more. File, Save As, all files. Goals. .html, right? Save. Last one. File, Save As, all files. Quotes. Save. Okay, so next thing I want you to do is make sure, if you look in your folder, do you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? You should have 7 web pages, right? These are all the same right now, but right, you have 7 web pages that show up like they're going to be open up in a browser. Does anybody need help with that? before I move on? You good? All right, so let's right click and open up your home page. Open it with Notepad. Okay. Make sure you're on your home page, not your Love This page, right? And then, so we've got the head tag, we've got the body background, we've got our, your name, Loves, and then we start in with places, right? So instead of places, we're going to put things. And then we are going to highlight all of the things underneath that and do a delete. Okay, you're going to keep your style. You're linking to your style sheet. Okay, and you have a heading. So this is your home page, right? File save now, not save as. And then double click it and open it up in a browser. It should be pretty basic, right? With me? Okay. Open up, right click, open with your places in Notepad. File, save as, all files, hobbies. I forgot hobbies. Yeah, because I forgot hobbies in the whole scheme of when I was initially doing it. So hobbies.html. All files, same folder, save. Okay. Okay, so we have the hobbies one, right? So we're going to change this to say hobbies. See, I'm on my hobbies page, right? Okay. And then I'm going to get rid of all of this for hobbies. All right, so what we're going to do here, so I want you to put in here some text here. whatever, like 3 hobbies that you can think of. I love to, whatever. Not right now because you're going to be lost otherwise. Okay, I'm going to follow along here. Okay. All right, so right here, video, SRC equals name of video. Whatever your name of your video is. It's probably an MP4. Look at the extension on it. So let me see if there's anything else I want to add on this one. Let's do this up above it here. And then you're going to figure out what the name of your move this down so you can see it here better. So source equals SRC, name of video, and then probably as a it's probably an MP4. And then we're going to close the video. Okay. So what you're going to have to do is change the name of whatever your tutorial video is. Change that. So make sure, first of all, that you type in exactly the name of your video. Also make sure it's in the same folder. It exists in the same folder as this page. If it doesn't, then it's not going to work unless you give it a path. Okay, so save, see what you have right now. You don't have the video name in there probably right now. This is what relatively you should have right now. I don't have a video name in there, so obviously my video name is not going to be in there. Okay, so